Guys, it's past 12 midnight and I just finished meal prepping, so I made all of this all day. It's midnight already. So this is ogbono soup, this is egusi soup. I have some of it this night, and then this is goat pepper soup. I mean, I cannot meal prep without pepper soup, I died there. And this is fried rice, this is some fried plantain, then I have stew here, and I have this yummy jollof rice. I think out of everything that I made today, these banks, next to this, next to the pepper soup, I don't know what's going on with my ogbono, but I know that ogbono tastes better the next day. So yeah, that's it. The fried rice, every other thing tastes nice, but I just feel like that's like top when it comes to taste. You get it? Okay, yeah. See you guys tomorrow. See who just joined the air fryer gang is me. I'm about to make so many amazing stuff, honestly, with this thing. I've been wanting an air fryer for the longest time, especially so I could make suya, I could grill my meat, and just reduce the intake of oil in a way. So yeah, I'm happy I have this now. I can't wait to start cooking up and stuff. I feel like now I have like the feeling to cook. I'm motivated to cook now. Before cooking and I have just been winging it lately, but yeah, I love it. And this is from the brand Casa Villa, so I believe it's going to be nice. And I think this is 4.5 liters, so you can carry like a whole lot. It's not even that heavy, sha.
I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, I lick the scourge. Now I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, lick the scourge.
I've not filmed, I've not vlogged, I've not done anything with my life in the last 2 weeks. So it's been 2 weeks since my birthday, you guys, and I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on with my headspace, but I've just not been in that space to create content. Even sit down videos, I've had content block. I've had, I don't know, everything is just turning on new right now. The last time I turned on this phone to film anything was yesterday. It was because I got a new air fryer. I ordered that air fryer since, I don't know, for some reason, this place where I moved to, anytime I order stuff, it takes like so long to come. I don't know what the problem is. Sometimes it takes like 2 weeks. I ordered this thing since, but they just delivered it yesterday, which I showed you guys. And yesterday I had my first YouTube live, and you guys showed up for me. Thank you. If you've not seen it, I'll leave it in the description. Yeah, so basically I've just been living in the moment. I don't know if you get what I mean. I've just not been in that headspace. I was even low-key thinking of a break. Like once I put out my birthday vlog, I would just disappear on you people. But then the whole life comments started coming up, and I was like, okay, let me try this live thing. And yeah, I gave it a shot and I do not regret it. Today I went to run some errands, like pay some bills, and afterwards I went grocery shopping to just buy a few things, because honestly I've not been eating so well in the last 3 days. You know, sometimes it's just broke season. Do you get what I mean? Yeah, it's just the broke season. But yeah, I didn't buy anything reasonable as well because I was also trying to like minimize funds. I plan to hold on. Today I plan to make suya and grilled fish. I bought tilapia. I bought a bunch of things. Maybe I should just show you guys the things I bought just to, have content. I feel like this content is dead. So I bought rosemary herb because I don't have it anymore. I also bought a crate of egg, cabbage. I plan to make salad, and then these sticks. I used to have them before, but for some reason they got wings. I don't know where they went to, so I had to buy them again. And then thyme cubes. I bought all-purpose spices, carrots. These are the papers on the view. Magic syrup. You guys can tell that this is really Brooks. I got orange juice, and then in here is French fries, tilapia, and some beef. So I just bought them small. And then I got the whole corn because I want to make salad like I said. So that's all. I don't know, I feel like I'm just trying to get into my whole creative space right now. Catch you guys in the kitchen. Guys, this is the first stage of it, so I'm going to this after 15 minutes. Actually, it says that for fish it should be 8 to 40 minutes, but the Nigerian girl in me did not trust it, so I'm going to add more of the coatings to it and then sprinkle it with some spinach because I have this small spinach that is remaining and I don't want it to waste, so I'll just sprinkle it and use it. So this is the final look that I'm going for, and it's so yummy. It looks so yummy, I can't wait. And this is the salad. I can't wait to try this. I'm currently frying the fries. Air fryer. I give it to you people. Wow, that was a huge crack, you guys. We are in my bathroom, so it is currently past 4 or thereabout, and I'm about to start my day. By the way, this is a new day. If you think that why am I still wearing this shirt, but it's a new day. Guys, I've been a mess. It's been like 2 weeks of just being in this space that I'm in, and I don't like how I feel at all. So I want to feel pretty. I want to feel brand new again. So let's make that work, okay? I'm going to quickly clean up my apartment. I'm going to show you guys what my apartment is like. My bathroom, my living room, my bedroom, everywhere is just, I don't know. So clean with me, guys.
I ain't flexing like these bitches do. You could see it in my pictures, bitches, nothing new. I ain't talking about my revenue. Blessed with every second that I get to do exactly what I dreamed of when I was a little kid. It's a dream, never thought I would get to live. So now I ain't trying to catch up to you. All I can be is authentic, you gon' get the truth. It's the truth, hey. I ain't really got no bling, I don't wear no chain. You know when you see me around town, let me do my thing. I ain't really pop no tags, really got no swag. But if you need something tryna live life every day, saying where I wanna leave it. Can't name my price, but I'm riding in a Beamer. Yeah, ain't no two-seater. More room to kick my feet up. Feeling like a boss-ass bitch these days. Life is more than just getting paid. Yeah, you could bet your chips. Hope and waste and lose it all so quick these days. Yeah, this the gift mama gave me. Yeah, this the way daddy raised me. And when I get stressed, I just remember I'm blessed. Ain't no complaining, I ain't changing. I ain't really got no blame. I don't wear no chain. You don't even see me around town. I be doing my thing. I don't really pop no tags. Really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it, I got it. That's the truth. Got it, I got it. Yes, I do. Heavy upon me. I'm lonely without my Louis on me.
In an Uber to the airport, Terminal 3. A couple carry-on bags, please don't weigh these. Well, what do? A little dough rate me, meet me and my brother. We flying down for the weekend. We got an Airbnb by the beach. Have you been there? Come hit a party if you speak French. Well, are we gonna be friends? And so pilot, of course, we're looking to recruit for the party crew. The name's JJ, co-star is Bruce. Then we love a little green like Molly do. Yeah, got a feeling it's season. You and me can jump in, see you in the deep end. But I guess it really depends if you're down for the weekend.
I'm just waiting for something.
Guys, I'm done cleaning. I've had my bath. I feel so fresh. I'm about to start work, so I just wanted to end this vlog and tell you guys thank you so much for watching this vlog. I think I have been a bit productive. Everywhere is sparkling, clean. I feel so brand new, and I feel like I just felt pumped. Okay, I'm already thinking tomorrow what content I want to create. Don't worry, the next vlog is going to be better than this one. Yeah, I just didn't want to not have a vlog for you guys this week. Yes, and today is Thursday, and I'm actually supposed to have uploaded a video today, but I didn't because I don't have any content. The content that was supposed to go up today, I couldn't film it because I wanted to bring someone on the channel, but something happened and she couldn't make it, so we had to reschedule. But yeah, I didn't have a second plan, to be honest. If I had a second plan, I would have filmed something. I would have made that time I film, and you guys know that I can't just wake up and film something. I have to plan. Get it? Yeah. So that's it for this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next one. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on your post notification bell, because we have started something called Live Tuesdays, meaning real time with me. So where you send in questions, we have discussions and all that. If you do not want to miss out on that, your post notification button needs to be on, so you get notified when I'm live. You get. So yeah, that's what I got to understand. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.